Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do friendly recipes that the whole family can enjoy. So today's recipe is for a vegetarian Thai curry. It has mixed vegetables, coconut milk, Thai red curry paste, and I've served it with basmati rice. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, so sit back, relax and enjoy.
So we add our coconut oil to a large pan. Once the coconut oil is melted, we add the onions, the carrots, and then the broccoli florets. Give them a stir and fry them for approximately 5 minutes, just to soften the carrots and the broccoli. Once these are softened, then we add our peppers. We start off with our red pepper, then our green pepper, and lastly our yellow pepper. Then we add our spring onions and give it another stir and cook approximately for another 3 minutes. Once the vegetables are starting to soften, then we add our curry paste. And on top of that we add our coconut milk. You can use light coconut if you want. I have used full fat coconut milk here. So just give it a quick stir, make sure all the flavours are incorporated, make sure the curry paste is all broken down. Then we pop a lid on it and let it simmer for approximately 10 minutes, just until the vegetables are soft. After 10 minutes we add some chopped coriander or cilantro, depending on where in the world you're from. And give it a stir. Now that our vegetables are tender and firm and our coriander is mixed in, we'll start to serve our dish. So today I've served mine with basmati rice. This goes very well with pilau rice. It also goes extremely well over French fries or chips, depending on where you're from. As you can see, the dish is colourful, full of flavour, extremely healthy. We then garnish our dish with some chopped peanuts. These are obviously optional depending on your nut allergies. Thanks for watching this video on Thai red curry with basmati rice.